Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by using the built-in System Restore tool. Open Start, type Create a Restore Point, then click System Restore. If Windows won't boot, press and hold Shift while selecting Restart or Boot from a recovery USB to reach advanced options. Make sure you pick a restore point dated before the issue. Once chosen, the wizard shows affected programs. Note them down so you can reinstall later. This initial step gets you into the restore flow and avoids starting repairs blindly. You now execute the restore, select the best restore point and click Next, then Finish to confirm. Windows will automatically reboot and apply system changes. The process replaces system files and registry settings to the saved state, which is why you must use a point from before the problem started. Make sure your laptop is plugged in and don't force shutdown during the operation. If progress pauses for several minutes, remain patient. Abrupt power loss can corrupt the restore and worsen the issue. Once Windows finishes and you sign back in, check system behavior and reinstall any apps removed by the restore, then run Windows Update to patch vulnerabilities. If the restore fails or Windows still misbehaves, boot to safe mode and run an elevated command prompt. Use sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted files. One key troubleshooting tip: if both restore and repairs fail, restore from a recent full backup or perform an in-place upgrade to preserve files while replacing system components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.